Wherever you are in the world, whatever time it is for you, whatever you are carrying right now, pause and take one slow breath in through your nose and a long breath out through your mouth. Again, slow breath in and gentle breath out. Right now, you are doing something that every human on earth is doing with you. Breathing. No language needed. No belief required. Just life moving through you. Allow your body to settle. Let your shoulders melt downward. Unclench your jaw. Soften your forehead. You don't need to fix anything. You don't need to become anything. You are allowed to simply be. Feel where your body makes contact with the ground, or the chair, or the bed beneath you. Let the earth hold you for this moment. With each breath in, invite calm into your nervous system. With each breath out, release anything heavy, tight, or tired. There is nothing wrong with you for feeling what you feel. Your emotions are not flaws. They are signals of a living, beating heart. Now gently bring your attention to your chest. Place one hand over your heart, if it feels natural. Beneath your thoughts, beneath your fears, beneath your stories. There is a steady rhythm, a heart that never stopped choosing to beat for you. Across the planet, in this same moment, millions and billions of hearts are beating with yours. Different lives, different languages, different paths, yet the same rhythm of life. You are not as alone as the mind sometimes makes you feel. Now imagine your breath becoming a soft light. With each inhale, the light grows warmer. With each exhale, that light expands outward from your chest. It moves beyond your body, into the room, out, into your city, across oceans, across borders, reaching other hearts you may never meet. yet still share this breath of life with. There is no force stronger than a calm human heart. In this space, silently repeat, I'm allowed to be here. I'm allowed to feel. I am allowed to heal. I belong to this world. Let those words land gently. You do not have to prove your worth to the universe. You were born into it. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Simply return to the breath again and again. Breath is the quiet doorway back to the present. Now feel gratitude, not forced, just gentle awareness. For your lungs, for your heartbeat, for the fact that you are still here. Even if you've been hurt, even if you've been tired, even if you've doubted yourself, you are still breathing. And that means the story is still unfolding. Take one final deep breath in. Hold for just a second. And slowly release. When you're ready, gently bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. Carry this calm with you. Because wherever you go today, someone else on this earth will be breathing with you. You are not separate. You are part of the human heartbeat.